Hello everyone, how's everyone doing? Hope you are doing good. Hope you are resonating with the readings. Last week I had spoken about Ma Varahi and the Gupta Navratri, and many people had done the prasad and kept, and they had felt beautiful. Maybe today what you can do is the same way, make some prasad for Ma Kali, because many of you follow the Ma Kali readings and many of you wait for Tuesdays to get the reading from the divine goddess, the Kalima. So maybe what you can do is today make some prasad, or if you cannot make any prasad, you can just keep some apple in front of her, and then you can pray to her and you can put on some mantra for her and seek her blessings. Today I feel the color has to be yellow, so wear something which is yellow. Let us see what is the card which is coming today. See, the same way I just said the color yellow and the Dakshina Kali has come. So let's just pull out one more card, and then maybe we will do the reading together, because I'm very happy that the Dakshina Kali has come. And the next card that has come is Kali Yantra. I was just telling you all to make some prasad, so maybe even Kalima wants that. She wants you all to pray to her and give her some prasad, and then just pray, and she is going to help you all come out of all the issues. Usually Dakshina Kali comes, when you are in need of a mother's blessings, when you are in need of a compassion and a mother who can, be there for you, help you, bless you, and take care of you in a beautiful way. So take her as your mother, and I'm sure she is going to be there for you. Call on her. Tell her, oh dear Dakshina Kali, I want you to bless me. I want you to be with me. I want you to pamper me and hug me as a mother would do to her daughter. I feel left out and alone, and I'm sure she's going to help you. And coming to the Kali Yantra, basically this has come so that you can connect with this mudra. I had said once long back, and people had felt real good changes. So connect with this mudra and put on some Kali mantra which you feel connected to. And if you want, you can even do Om Cream Kalikaye Namaha. That's a beautiful and a simple mantra you can do with this mudra. Om Cream Kalikaye Namaha 108 times. And if you're offering a prasad for her, then you can have it along with your family members. I'm sure she's going to bless you all abundantly, and things are going to change in a beautiful and a positive way. Have a blessed day ahead.